I like this bitch, I like her for her knowledge. She liking me for me, she don't care about chopsticks. She ain't for the street, she don't know nobody. It's only us in this motherfucker army. I crack a shoulder and roll this shit on me. She don't work out, but she do flex on it. I tell her she my bestie more than my sex partner. She fuck with me, she say I'm too damn toxic. I like this bitch, I like her for her knowledge.
Hey everybody, what's good? It's your girl, Breezydoesittt, and I am back with another video. So I know my background look a little different. This is our new house, me and my family. But enough of that, I'll give y'all a tour sometime soon. Today, ooh, where is my necklace? Hold on, because I knew I had a necklace on. So today's video is going to be a cooking video, and today is Sunday, so you know, self-care Sunday. I wanted to make me a nice little meal because I haven't had a meal in a while. I'm craving for something very specific in particular. Before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel as well as like this video if you think you are going to like it, and leave a comment down below of, you know, the next meal you want to see me make or cook. I'm looking for new meals to cook too, so y'all let me know. For today's video, I'm going to make some jerk salmon with some yellow rice, some steamed broccoli, and some microwavable mac and cheese. And this is going to taste so amazing. So I just wanted you guys to be here through this whole entire time while I'm making my food for myself. And maybe this might be something you guys like and want to try yourselves. I got these little filet salmon, and these are wild caught red sockeye salmon. I wanted the big one so I could make salmon cakes, but they didn't have it, so I ended up getting these that was already in a pack. I went ahead and took 3 out because it's just me eating this, not anybody else. The salmon is actually going to be done quick since I'm going to be pan searing it. I'm not going to put it in the oven this time. So I'm going to go ahead and start making the rice so that can be out the way, and steam up the broccoli, and then I'm going to season up my salmon. Well, I could season up the salmon now and let it saute first. That's actually what I'm going to do first. And then while that's marinating, then I am going to get started on the broccoli and the yellow rice. So hey, I'm so excited because it's been a long time since I did a cooking video. So I'm very excited. Now, first things first, before we start cooking anything, you want to wash your hands. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. So let me turn y'all over so y'all can see me wash my hands. Silver bowl. I'm pretty sure everybody got this bowl in their household. Got my pot, my bowl, excuse me. So I'm going to wash off this salmon and put it in the bowl, and then I'm going to season it up to my liking. For the seasonings, I have the LOCS seasoning salt. You really don't have to use this because the jerk seasoning itself is going to season it, but me, I'm going to season it like that because I want to. The Jamaican hot jerk seasoning. I absolutely love the hot one because I love spicy food. You know, if it ain't hot, it ain't right, period. brother Jax. Say hi, Jackson. Say hi. He is not into it. He just ready. He just walking around doing whatever. Go ahead. You want juice? Let me get him some juice real quick because I think he's thirsty. I'm going to get my green peppers and red peppers because I want to put peppers in there. I love peppers. So for a little bit of these clips, I will be doing a voiceover because my family came in and, you know, the background was a lot going on. So I'm just going to do a little voiceover so it don't be too much going on. But right now, I'm just cutting up my red peppers and green peppers to put it in with the salmon so they can all marinate together. Also, you don't have to cut up your peppers like I did. I only cut them this way because, well, it looks very pretty and decorative, and I really love how they look shaped like this. Now I'm going in with the seasoning salt, season up the salmon and the peppers a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with the jerk sauce next, as you can see, and I'm just sprinkling as much as I want on there, and I'm going to rub it in next into the salmon and the peppers so it can get deep in there so it can all be good and seasoned. Bomb, ain't it? Don't it look bomb? So while the salmon and the peppers doing this little thing, I'm going to go ahead and pour all my broccoli into a pot, and I'm going to season it and then put water in there, not a lot, just a little bit to where it can steam, and then I'm going to, you know, let it do its thing. The next, you know, the rice, I got that going on, starting to pour the water in the pot, pour the rice into the pot after, you know, it's boiled, and let that simmer for a little bit until I'm ready to cook the salmon. So don't ask me, but I'm just pouring some more so I can make sure it's getting into the broccoli as much as I want it in there because I want seasoned broccoli. Hey y'all, so I'm back. So I'm going to go ahead and put some oil into this frying pan. You don't need a lot, just a little bit because I'm pan searing it. Heat this up so I can heat it up. And then my broccoli done. The rice is almost done. I just gotta make the salmon and make my mac and cheese in the microwave, and then voila, we got a meal. Go ahead and put the first salmon in there. I'm gonna do the peppers after because I'm gonna make sure the salmon cooked. Yes, y'all see that salmon? Period. Period. saute these peppers to your liking, but I'm going to take them out now because I don't like them too salty or like chewy enough. So everything is done. I'm going to make my plate. This is the finishing product of how my food came out. That's the broccoli, microwavable mac and cheese, and jerk salmon and rice. With my peppers. Yes, it look bomb. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see me cook next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm really digging. So bye y'all.